Okay, before move on, we must set up something to test our APIs in a more professional way. Let's stop. Actually, we can even keep this running, of course, because we have to test this API. Now let's open Firefox. We did this before. We tried to reload this page with this get. We can test in a simple way get API with a browser, but when you must test post or put method, it's better to use something like Postman. Now I've already downloaded Postman. This is just how you can set up your environment to test APIs. You can download Postman or Insomnia, or even try to use Curl, but it's not very comfortable. You can try something different. I don't know, my favorite option is Postman. You can create your workspace. You can just click here, create workspace, and now you can choose a name for your workspace. School manager is my name. Create, and now you can set up your calls. You can click on, there are two ways to do this. You can click on new HTTP. Now you can copy and paste your URL and choose your method. If you click on play, now it returns the string that you can even see inside your browser. If you go here and you press F12, you can check on the network tab. You can reload this page, and if you reopen this tab, you can check your calls. Okay, if you right click, copy value, you can use something like copy as curl or copy as PowerShell. Usually with Chrome I use copy as curl and bash, but now you can use copy as curl Windows. It's quite the same. And if you click on import, you can copy and paste your curl, and it will automatically create all this code for you. Now in this case it's super simple to just copy and paste the URL, but when you have complex call with maybe a big body, it's super handy to do this little trick. And again, if you try to send your API, this is great. You have your object here. If you try with an ID that you do not have inside your database, it will say something like error. Great. If you click here, you can see the curl. You can put this inside a command line, and your call will be tested by the command line. But I do not recommend this way. I prefer to set up things with Postman and use this software because it's great for testing and for testing even more complex methods. For example, post, put, patch, delete, and so on.